What's up, players? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about off-road lights. I'm going to be putting off-road lights on my bumper. That way we can be getting a lot of lighting when we're out there in the desert. Just kidding, we don't take this truck to the desert. It's going to be on the street. But follow along. It's not an instructional video. It's kind of just do as I go. It's just going to be a time-lapse video. I appreciate your guys' support. I appreciate your love. Please subscribe. Please like. All that stuff helps me to get more popular, you know, if you guys think I'm worthy to be popular. But thank you guys. Have a good night. Hey guys, final look. Definitely happy with how it came out. Got the 3 lights up front. It's looking good. The front is not equally spaced. Like, I didn't nuke the hell out of it. I just mocked it up and pretty much just tacked everything and burned everything in. I wasn't get too critical about it. And the welds were all right in my opinion. Definitely updates the look of the truck. Of course, I still gotta take them back off and paint it, but that's pretty much a wrap for that. In terms of the tabs, I already had the tabs on hand, and I didn't have to really get some tabs made. What is my goal by putting these lights on the truck? I guess nothing really. I mean, more for looks than anything, and it wasn't nothing for me to throw some tabs on here. I'm probably gonna get 4 more, but for the Nissan, probably 2 ambers in the middle and then 2 outside white lights. That way I'll have tons of light on that thing. Honestly, I would love a roof rack or a roof rack.
You could do so.
What do you say? Off or headlight rack for the roof. That way, and put a bunch of these LP lookalikes all on top of it. I think that would be sick. Honestly, I'm not trying to pay a bunch of money for some Baja designs, so don't question me on that. If you guys know me, you know I like saving money. But I appreciate you guys watching my video. Definitely can do tutorial, talk more in depth if you guys want. I'm not a professional by any means. I do this stuff just based off what I see and as simple as I can, especially that it's, you know, lights. I can easily move these lights to another vehicle. I have an NFAB bumper that I want to put on the 350 anyway, so you know, just kind of keep it simple. But thanks guys. Follow, like, subscribe, all that good stuff.